In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 cotton candy machines available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best cotton candy machines. The 5th product on our list is the Nostalgia PCM405. Are you looking for an awesome cotton candy machine to spice up your kid's little party? The Nostalgia PCM405 is exactly what you need, as it produces nice cotton candies without stress. Nostalgia allows you to use flossing sugar or the normal hard candies that you can easily get from the grocery store. We like that it is straightforward to use, as no complex setup is required. This cotton candy machine saves lots of time, as it doesn't take long for it to start producing cotton candy. All you need to do is heat it for 2 to 3 minutes, add your flossy sugar, and start collecting your delicious cotton candy with a cone in just a couple of minutes. We like that the Nostalgia has a retro design that looks attractive, making it especially good for themed parties, as it brings a vintage design right to your home. Moreover, it has a clear rim guard that allows you to view how the cotton candy is being made. This helps you ensure every cone is perfect, and as a bonus, it also keeps the kids fascinated for a while. What's more, the Nostalgia has all the accessories you will need while making your cotton candy, like 2 reusable cotton candy cones, an extractor, and a sugar scoop to make your work easier. One of the most remarkable features of this cotton candy machine is its weight. At 3.35 pounds, it weighs less than most of the other cotton candy machines in the market. This makes it easy for you to move it around. Its pros are, it is easy to assemble and disassemble, it has a lightweight design, and it has the required accessories. However, it is not suitable for a large party. The Nostalgia PCM405 is a nice cotton candy machine built to produce a moderate number of cotton candies for families or little kids' gatherings. Up next in 4th place is the Cotton Candy Express CC1000S. Having a compact and reliable cotton candy machine in a little family gathering is one of the things that keep kids fascinated all through, as they can never have enough of it. That is why Cotton Candy Express CC1000S comes highly recommended for people that are organizing a little family get-together. This cotton candy machine has all the accessories you need to get everyone enjoying delicious cotton candies of various flavors. It has floss sugars of different flavors like pink vanilla, cherry, orange, grape, and raspberries. It also comes with 50 paper cones to get you started and ensure everyone gets the taste. We liked that this cotton candy machine is very easy to use. It works right out of the box, and it doesn't have many buttons like some complex cotton candy machines in the market. It is beautifully designed to fit everywhere. It gives your kitchen or event hall a touch of brightness with its pink color, making it the centerpiece of any gathering. Additionally, this cotton candy machine is portable, making it easy to store even if you don't have a lot of space. It also enables you to carry it from your kitchen to the gathering with ease. Its pros are, it is budget-friendly, it is lightweight, and it has little setup required. However, it may need cleaning after making 1 round of cotton candy. The Cotton Candy Express CC1000S is a beautiful and reliable cotton candy machine built for people looking for a nice cotton candy machine for private use or little family gatherings. Still haven't found a cotton candy machine that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the VBENLEM VEVOR. When it comes to making cotton candy in large quantities for retail purposes, parties, and carnivals, you need a powerful cotton candy machine like the VBENLEM VEVOR commercial electric cotton candy machine. This device is built with a heating power of 900 watts, enabling it to work very fast to produce at least 2 cotton candy cones within a minute. Its large bowl is built to hold a large quantity of flossy sugar, up to 4 ounces, so you don't have to stress yourself filling the bowl round after round. We liked that this cotton candy machine has a temperature control knob that you can use to reduce its temperature when you want to change the flavor of your candy. Its temperature control also comes in handy when you want to spin it for long, as you have to reduce its temperature to avoid overheating. What's more, the VEVOR has a large bowl built with food-grade stainless steel, making it safe to use. The rest of its body parts are built with high-quality steel materials that do not get rusty. One of the most remarkable features of this cotton candy machine is its built-in supply drawer made of steel. This gives you extra room and keeps everything neat and tidy. You can use the drawer to store all the accessories you need, like packs of flossy sugar, sugar scoop, and cotton candy cones. We think that the VBENLEM is one of the most versatile cotton candy machines on the market, as it can make cotton candies from fruit cubes, milk sugars, hard candies, and much more. Its pros are, it is sturdily built, it has a 30 days unlimited warranty, and it is good value for money. However, it may be too heavy for one person to move around easily. The VBENLEM VEVOR is a commercial electric cotton candy machine built for people who want to produce delicious cotton candies in large quantities for parties and carnivals. The second product on our list is the Olde Midway Spin 2000. No one wants to waste precious time trying to keep up with customer demand with the regular cotton candy machine. Not when you can produce large numbers of cotton candies in a matter of a few minutes with a powerful cotton candy machine like the Olde Midway Spin 2000. This Olde Midway unit is built to make commercial production of cotton candies a breeze with its efficient belt-driven motor system. It has a large bowl that is built with non-toxic stainless steel materials. This is food safe to ensure the safety of your customers. Also, the large bowl can hold a huge quantity of flossy sugar, so you don't need to keep refilling it. We like that this is one of the fastest cotton candy machines on the market, as it takes only 30 seconds to produce cotton candy. This makes it ideal for parties and gatherings where cotton candies are in high demand. It has accessories like a sugar scoop that you can use to mix your ingredients, 2 extra belts that serve as a spare, and a storage drawer. The Olde Midway also has a heat controller located on the front panel. This comes in handy when producing many cotton candies with different flavors, as you will have to reduce its heat at some points. One of the features of this cotton candy machine that we find fascinating is its wheel, which can be used to move it from place to place with ease instead of lifting this heavy machine. When you need to produce a lot of cotton candy in a short space of time, this unit is the one to buy. Its pros are, it is easy to maneuver despite the size, it is straightforward to use, and it has 2 spare belts, including making maintenance easier. However, its assembly instructions are not very clear. The Olde Midway Spin 2000 is a commercial cotton candy machine with a wheel for moving it around. It is built for people that want to produce large numbers of cotton candies for sale. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products of the market. Finally, our top cotton candy machine is the VIVO Candy Kit IB. Are you planning to go into the cotton candy business? You need to get equipped with a powerful cotton candy machine that enables you to produce enough to keep all your customers satisfied. This machine is fast and reliable as it can produce up to 3 delicious cotton candies within a minute. It has a 20-inch bowl built that is made of non-toxic stainless steel material. This goes a long way in ensuring the safety of those who consume your cotton candy. When it comes to durability, VIVO has a track record of outlasting other cotton candy machines in the market, as it is sturdily built with rust-resistant steel material. It is easy to assemble for use and disassemble when you want to clean it up. It is also very easy to maintain, as its large bowl can be cleaned using warm water to dissolve every hardened sugar and is safe to wash with your regular soap for dishes. This cotton candy machine has many accessories like a transparent bubble shield and sugar scoop. VIVO uses normal hard candies or flossy sugar of different flavors to make delicious cotton candies. So, whether you are starting a business or just supplying a kid's birthday party, this machine will be ideal. Its pros are, it is sturdily built, it has a 1-year warranty, and it is easy to use. However, there is no cart unit included. The VIVO Candy Kit IB is a commercial-grade cotton candy machine built for anyone that wants to create sweet treats in no time at all. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.